In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. Begin by launching Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck and download free app from Floor to Developer, DevCheck device and system info. When it's ready, launch it. Then, thanks to it, learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!